Hi guys, Jelaine here. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how I created this Korean-inspired makeup look. First, I use micellar water to prep and clean my skin. For a dewy base, I make sure that skin is hydrated and well prepped. To do that, I'm mixing this moisturizer from Krave and this Radiance primer from MUA. Using a foundation in your skin tone, fake a smaller face by defining your inner V first. And then simply use your foundation to fill that area in. Don't forget your forehead. I'm applying another layer to add more coverage. Now, using a foundation that's darker than your skin tone, apply this on the perimeters of your face or the areas outside your defined inner V. This is actually contouring, but in a more natural and subtle way. Okay, so that's my husband in the background washing dishes. But no worries, all good, nothing broke, and now back to the tutorial. To add coverage on my under eyes, I'm using this stretchy concealer from RMS Beauty. Apply product directly on the outer and inner edges of your eye, and then blend towards the center for a seamless effect. Lightly dust on powder to set the concealer. No look is a Korean look without straight and soft brows. To achieve this, the first step is to get some eyebrow powder and lightly fill in your brows. Once my brows are gently filled in, I'm gonna use an eyebrow pencil to define a straighter shape. With this Uemura brow mascara, I'm gonna color in my brow hairs to match the color of my hair. To maintain the natural look, make sure to do this with a light hand and not let any pigment touch the skin. Next step, eyeshadow. First, I'm going to prime my lids by applying this warm coral matte shadow all over them. Then, moving on to this medium dark orange, I will apply some of this on the outer third corner of my eyes, slightly extending from the outer edge to achieve an elongated effect. I'm patting in more pigment to build intensity. Clean out harsh lines and blend using a clean brush. Make sure to be light-handed and blend outwards to keep with the elongated eye look. Look straight to the mirror with eyes open to check if the shadow is symmetrical. Then, using a pencil brush, run any dark brown shade from the outer corner inwards, staying close to the lash line. Blend upwards and outwards on the outer corner to keep with the elongated eye look and to make your eyes look bigger. To further intensify the outer corner, I'll be adding on the shimmery medium dark plum shade. You may opt to use the same dark orange from earlier, but using something that's shimmery will allow for more dimension. Keep this color at the very edge of the eye. Then, I'm taking this light pinky gold shade and popping it on the inner two-thirds of my eye. Blend it into the color that's already on the outer thirds of our eye and watch out for any harsh edges. Retouch your eyeline if needed, which in my case I did since mine got covered by the shadows I layered on top. Korean makeup is all about glitter nowadays. Sparkle is the name of the game. Applying this liquid glitter shadow at the very center of my eyes to make the look pop. Next is layering on eyeliner. First, we tightline. I'm using this dark brown gel liner to tightline my eyes. Tightlining is an eyeliner technique in which you line your upper waterline to enhance your eyes and create a fuller wide-eyed look. extend the line neither upward nor downward, but with a straight line. Blend out the liner on the outer and inner corners to help them set and to make them look softer. Last eyeliner step is to use a liquid liner. Liquid liners deliver stronger pigments and a sharper look, so I really like applying this on the outer edge to really define my wing, and to layer this on my lid closest to the lash line to further enhance the effect of my tightline. Moving on to my lashes. This curler from Uemura remains to be my favorite. It really gets into and curls even the shortest of my lash hairs. Since I don't plan to use any falsies for this look, I'll apply a lot of mascara. And I mean a lot. I'm using this one from Maybelline first to separate every bit of lash hair and make sure they're coated with product. This helps the volumizing mascara, which I'll be layering on later to stick and stay put. Now, I'm using this mascara from Hourglass to add more volume to my lashes and make them look thick. To give my eyes more depth, I'm using the dark brown shade from earlier and applying it on this triangular region on my lower lash line, starting from where my eyeliner ends until the center of my eyes. Blend to clear out harsh lines. Going back to the light pinky gold shade, I'll apply some of this to my inner corner to get some light on this area and open up my eyes more. Another key feature of Korean makeup is the aegyo-sal or the teary eye look. We'll achieve this with this glitter liner from Innisfree. But instead of applying glitter on the whole lower lid, just place some on the area right under your pupil. This is a cleaner and more subtle way of creating an aegyo-sal and bringing focus onto your eyes. With the foundation I used earlier on a concealer brush, I'm gonna clean out the edges of my eyeshadow to make sure that everything is in place, that everything is well blended, and that there are no harsh lines. Using this contour powder from Bibia, lightly dust on some powder on the perimeters of your face to set the darker foundation as well as intensify your contour. I am so in love with this contour powder. Not only is it the perfect grey-brown shade, but it also gives just the right amount of pigment to create natural shadows. This product from 16 Band was one of my greatest discoveries from my Korea trip last year. The placement of the shadows on the pan and the brush really makes nose contouring so quick and easy to do. And I do think that this is universal enough because it works on me and most of the clients I've used it on so far. For my blush, I'm going for this muted pink shade. To achieve a more youthful look, apply blush on the point where your cheekbones and the center of your eye meet. Concentrate color on that point, lightly patting on layers. Blend upwards toward your temple and slightly downward until where your nose ends. To add glow that complements my blush, I have gone for this Extra Dimension Duochrome highlighter from MAC Cosmetics. Duochrome refers to any product that can appear two different colors depending on how the light hits. This one shows either champagne or rosy pink depending on the light. Koreans are now raving about the MLBB or My Lips But Better trend. To ace this look, you'll need to use a lipstick that resembles your natural lip color but enhance its look by making your lips look more glossy or even toned. I'm going for this burnt orange shade, applying a bit on the center of my lips and blending outwards with my fingers. Making sure to keep my lip line soft and blurry because again, it's supposed to look as natural and as real as possible. And there you have it. This is the final look. Follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more makeup tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!